Hi and welcome to another video about the Carly connected car app with the Bluetooth adapter. This will be used on a 2015 Audi Q5 TDI, which is diesel. And in this video you'll see the three modules that you can customize with this app. And for each module you'll see that you have an option of backing up your actual preferences. And for each one of it, and if you change it with the Carly app, then you can always go back to your original app, options, so you don't lose anything. Don't worry about that. And please watch carefully, because in these three modules you have different options that you can customize with the Carly app. And this is one way of doing it, because there are many ways of customizing your electronic modules from your Audi. So this is one of it, which is a Carly connected app. So very cool features and very cool options that you can customize, so you can be different from the other ones, such as the daily running lights, daytime running lights. You have the coming home lights that you can change. You have the speed that you can use to close your doors after leaving the car, and many other options, cool options. So watch carefully. If you have any comments, don't hesitate to leave one, and please subscribe and come back for more.